Hey, what's up, everybody? I hope everyone is fine and take caring of themselves. So, guys, in this video, we will be discussing about the computer science branch for the DASA non-CAWG category. So, yesterday we had discussed about the CAWG category. So, today we will be discussing about the non-CAWG category. Non-CAWG category basically means all the students who are, not residing in GCC countries, for them and for the GCC countries. So GCC country students, they can apply in both of the categories. Means they can apply in CAWG, they can apply in non-CAWG category as well. And the rest of the other people, they can apply in the non-CAWG category. Basically, the difference is, earlier also I mentioned, is the major difference is the fee difference. In here, you have to pay approx 30 lakhs, and in CAWG, you have to pay around 8 lakhs for 4 year and 30 lakhs for 4 year. So now we will be discussing in here. So in here, you can see, for example, NIT Trichy, you can see in here that NIT Trichy, the closing was 17,478, right? NIT Surathkal, the closing for NIT Surathkal was 33,000. If you talk about NIT Warangal, then NIT Warangal, even the first round itself, it was close to 82,000 rank. And round 2, it went up to 83,000 rank as well. Now, round 3, so the closing for the NIT Warangal is 84,000 rank. If you come a little bit down, you can see VNIT, which is in Nagpur, Vishweshwaraya National Institute of Technology. In the first round itself, the cutoff reached to 2,70,000. Okay, and if you talk about Jaipur, the closing for Jaipur is 4,07,609. Okay, if you come a little bit more down, if you talk about NIT Surat, for which the closing in India is under 10,000 rank, in here, in the first round itself, it reached to 7 lakh rank. Pech Chandigarh, one of the famous college, reached to 8 lakh rank. NSUT, if you see, it reached to 8 lakh rank. NIT Delhi, if you see, NIT Delhi, it is up to 9 lakh rank. Allahabad, it went to 10 lakh. Allahabad went to 9 lakh. Bhopal went to 10 lakh. Kurukshetra went to 10 lakh. Jamshedpur went to 12 lakh. And Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, which is in Jalandhar, that went to 13 lakh rank. So basically, the idea what I want to give you with these data, that whatever your rank is, you don't have to worry. Just you have to do the proper choice filling. Choice filling is very, very crucial when you are going for the counseling. So first is document verification, which is very important. If any of the document is get rejected, the whole application form they will reject. So that is the thing. So better to please arrange your documents very properly. If you don't have the idea of the documents, you can get the guidance. Links are in the description already, as I discussed in the previous videos. Also, if you want any personal assistance, that also we are providing. So this is the thing. And the second thing is also that while making the choice filling, you should be very cautious, because if you make any wrong choice filling, later on you cannot rearrange or reassemble it. So as I discussed in the previous video, suppose you put NIT Trichy down and NIT Jaipur up, and you got NIT Jaipur already, so then you cannot switch back to NIT Trichy, even whatever your rank is. So there are a lot of students who make this kind of mistakes. So please avoid these kind of mistakes. And if you want any assistance, you can let us know. By that time, thank you for your time. Bye-bye.